Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn, in this session we are going to see how to use the return statement in Python. But before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, so let's start. So simply I am going to open here a Thony Python editor, and I have created here re.py file, and now we are going to create the function. So one is our function name, okay, and inside that a is equal to 10, okay. And now what we want to do, we are going to call this one function in a variable, and we are going to print that variable. So v is equal to function is our one function, and then we are going to print this v, okay. So save the code and run the code. As you can see friends, the result is none. So result is supposed to what? Result is that 10 number 10, okay. So now we are going to use here a return statement. Return, what we want to return here, we want to return this a as a result of our one function, okay. So return a, and now save the code, run the code, and this time as you can see we have the result 10. Because of we have called this a in a return statement, we have the result 10, okay. Now suppose b is equal to 20, and here I want to right now call the b in the return statement. So let's say b, save the code, run the code, and result will be 20, okay. So this is the way you can use the return statement for calling the function result inside the variable, okay friends. Now we are going to call here, or we are going to create here another function, and we are going to call this one function inside that function. Because of the return statement we can do this, okay. So define the 2 is just a function name, and here also I am going to mention a number. Let's say h is equal to 40, and this time I just want to add a method, a plus method, okay. So f is equal to, what we want to do here, I just want to call this one function. Because of the return, I am going to call this one function inside here, okay. One is our function plus this h like this way, and the result will be f. What will be happen, the return is b, means 20 is our return if statement, okay. So what will be happen, the 40 and 20 plus result will be f printed, okay. So save the code, just a minute, save the code, run the code, okay. I forgot to call the function, so let's call our function here to save the code, run the code, and as you can see result is 60. Why? Because of the return statement we can able to call the one function inside our two function. Let's say if I want to go with a, so I just want to mention here return in the return statement, I just want to mention this a, and if I save the code, run the code, and result is 50 because of 40 plus 10, okay, and result is 50. Now in this time what we want to do, I just want to get the number from our user side. So let's say o is, or let's say u is equal to input. We are going to take the input number from our user, so add number, okay, add number, and here I'm going to let's say y is equal to, because of this is the str, so we want to convert into int. We are going to convert the u, so u is input. We are going to take the number input from our user, and then it will be convert into int. So right now y is basically our user input, so I am going to mention here return y, and save the code, run the code, add the number. Let's add the number 50, and result is, as you can see, 90. What happened? 50 is our user input number, and 50 add inside the 40, and result is 90. Again I am going to run the code, and this time I am going to mention 100, and result will be 140. Okay, so this is the way you can use the return statement for calling a function input inside the variable, or calling the function in any function, any other function, with their result. I hope you will learn something from this video. We will meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.